We were talking about snowdrops earlier, weren't we? Well, there's snowdrops by this pond, and you can see, I'll just see the drain off that's coming into the pond at this very moment. That's how much water we've had here in the southeast of Essex. And remember that Essex is supposed to be one of the driest counties in the country, so the southeast of England. Here's a pond that is a natural pond, and if you look back on our material in the YouTube channel, you can see that I think it's a year or so ago, when it was dry, we were down in this pond actually cleaning the bottom out when it was bone dry. And here we are, it's 1.5 meters higher now than it was. It's a natural pond. It's watched and checked with the local wildlife trust because it's got protected newts in it as well. So it's actually quite an interesting pond for us to keep an eye on. Bulrushes over to the left. Sadly, somebody planted a bit of bamboo near it, which was a bit of a disgrace, and it's taken us a long time to keep cutting and digging it out and removing it. But we let it be a bit wild. There's normally a little footpath through here, but you can see it's a little bit flooded, as this is the only place that the water can overflow, and it drains down through the next field and into a pond, into a ditch that is running along the farmer's field on the other side. Rural retreats are very important to us, and in fact to hold and look after these natural environments that we've got is such another important aspect of gardens, wildlife, and just looking after things and protecting us for the future and our children's future as well. So if you get the chance for just sitting by a pond, watching the bird life, watching to see whether any coots are there. There's coots sometimes on this pond. Or perhaps just watching for the odd duck that might fly in. Frogs, newts, anything. Just sit there quietly and meditate. It's great for your health. Don't forget, catch more on worldradiogardening.com.